Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hole saws for cutting that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee 49224185 All-Purpose Professional Hole Saw Kit. If you're a frequent user and you know that you often need irregular sizes, then it's for you. The Milwaukee Professional Hole Saw Kit has 22 hole saws of different sizes, with a total size of 28-piece set with sizes ranging from 0.75 to 4.75 inches. The device is easy to use, and you can enjoy drill holes in pieces of wood or metal. To keep them all organized, you'll find a hard plastic portable case with room to add more hole saws in the long run, including 3 arbors and 3 pilot bits. These are ice-hardened with Matrix 2 BiMetal teeth that offer up to 50% longer lifespan and better durability. The teeth of these hole saws are very sharp, and they could cut material faster than other hole saws. Furthermore, they tend to be much sharper for a longer period, retaining their cutting power and speed for many holes, while others begin to slow down and the teeth show visible wear. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dewalt D180005 Hole Saw Kit, 14-piece. You will find 6 hole saws in this set with a range from 0.9 to 2.5 inches diameter. You will also get 2 quick change mandrels that can be changed between hole saws in just a few seconds. This can be a very effective, time-saving feature if you often have to switch between bits of different sizes. The double-tooth design makes the hole saw quite strong and efficient. It is durable and you can use it for a long time. And to increase their durability, the various bits come with rigid backing plates as a support structure to overcome the stress during drilling. The hole saw kit comes with various bits to make the tool versatile. You can use them in a variety of applications, such as plumbing, electrical work, and DIY projects. You can use the bits to create different hole sizes, and we must acknowledge that the device is easy to use. It also includes a great carrying case to make your bits easier to organize, store, and transport. At number 3, we have the Greenlee 660 Hole Saw. This Greenlee 660 hole saw kit cuts metal efficiently that comes with quick change auger, hex key, and different sizes of cutter heads. It has precision carbide teeth that give great performance and long-lasting durability. It also has ejector spring on all sizes above 3/4 of an inch. You can quickly remove slugs with it. It's easy to use and stop with the simple push button. The pilot drill made of cobalt steel is strong and durable. It can easily exceed a significant amount of usage without showing any signs of stress. Even better, it is replaceable. You will find the split point tip to be quite effective in maintaining the correct path as you make the hole. You can remove the slug easily, which is a good thing for both professionals and beginners. At number 2, we have the 25-piece Master BiMetal Hole Saw Kit HB25M by Bosch. This hole saw kit works with standard or quick change arbors. The pilot bit easily snaps into the mandrel for wood and metal applications. It cuts more precisely and faster with alternating teeth sizes. The threadless design protects mandrel from seizing up. The main feature of this kit is the quick change bit system, which allows you to quickly and easily switch between different sized hole saws. While this works for rapid switching in size, it also introduces a new problem. The connection of the hole saw to the quick change mandrel is not very secure. When it spins, there is a lot of shaking, which is especially noticeable at large hole saws and higher speeds. It leads to broken pilot bits and holes that look ragged and horrible instead of the clean and neat we all like. And finally, at number 1, we have the Drillpro 13PC Stainless Steel Hole Saw Kit. This kit is made of high-speed steel, designed with an extremely sharp blade to make metal drilling easier. This kit is suitable for locks, knobs and doors, and cabinet installation quickly. The carbide teeth of the hole saw kit are capable to cut cleanly and precisely. It is designed to make round holes in stainless steel, mild steel, iron, aluminum plate, alloy plate, plastic sheet, copper, brass iron, and so on. There are 13 sizes of hole socket to meet your professional needs. Hole sockets are suitable for handheld electric drill, vertical electric drill, and mobile belt magnetic drilling machine. It consumes lesser energy. The sockets can cut about 0.78 depth on wood, and 0.2 on stainless steel. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.